Children, now we are starting with question number 8 for exercise 11.2. As you can see, I have made the diagram also for you all. I'll read the question. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. You can see this is the shape of the field which is in the shape of a trapezium. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. It's sides which are parallel. Okay, the sides which are parallel, one is along the road side and one is along the river side. So the river side is just twice the road side. The length of the side which is towards the river, which is along the river, is twice the the length of the side which is along the road. That means if this is 5, this is 5, 2s are 10. Okay. The area. If the area means the area of this field is given, that is 10,500 meters square, and the perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance. You can say height. Okay, is 100 meter. Find the length of the side along the river. We have to find this side. Okay, so if we assume this as x, this becomes x into 2, that is 2x. Okay, and then with the formula for the area of the trapezium, we will get the value of x, and then we will write the length of the road side, the river side, length of the side which is along the river. So let's start. What is given? The perpendicular distance is given, that is, you can say height or perpendicular distance, whatever. Is given 100 meters. Area of field is given. Meters square, and this is the parallel side. Okay, so let the side along the road be x. Then the side along the river is equal to 2 into x is equal to 2x. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to find this value of x. So, from where we get this value of x? We will get it from here, the area of the field. Okay, that means h into a plus b by 2 is equal to 10,500 meters square. What is h? This is h. What is a plus b? This is a, this is b. That is the sum of parallel sides. So, let's write that. So, now, h into sum of 50 meters comes this side. So 3x, it's a multiplication, it becomes division. Meter and meter get cancelled. 5 and 1050 gets cancelled. 2s are 1s are 0. Now this 3 shifts this side, it's a multiplication. It becomes division. So the value of x is 70. Then 2x is 2 into 70, that is 140 meters. So this is your answer. The length of the side along the river is 140 meters. This completes question number 8. Now we go to the next question, that is question number 9. Let's start. Next question, children. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. Octagon means 8 sides. Regular means each side is equal in length, as shown in figure. Find the area of this octagonal surface. So let's start. I'll make the diagram. Very bad in making diagrams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each side is 5 meters and this distance is 11 meters and this distance is 4 meters. So if we divide like this becomes a trapezium, this becomes a rectangle and this becomes a trapezium again. Now this trapezium and this trapezium are equal in area, so if we find out this area and multiply by it, we get these two, correct? And this is the rectangle where length is given, breadth is given. We will find out the area there and add the 3 areas to get the total area of this octagonal surface. So let's mark. This is trapezium A, this is rectangle B and this is trapezium C. Okay? So let's start. So the first one we will find out the area of trapezium A. So the area of the trapezium is what? Sum of parallel distance by 2 into the sum of parallel sides by 2 into the into perpendicular distance. Okay, that is h into a plus b by 2, where h is the perpendicular distance, a and b are the 2 parallel sides. Okay, so let's start. Area of, what is this trapezium? Trapezium A is equal to perpendicular distance into sum of parallel sides. Something is ringing. 1 and 2. My ears are ringing. Okay. So perpendicular distance is 4 into sides. This is 5 because it's a regular octagon. Each side is equal. Okay. So 5. This is 11. It is already given in the question. By 2. This is meter and this is meter. Both the meters I am writing in common. Now 4 and 2 can get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 meters into 5 plus 11 is 60 meters. So it gives us 32 meters square. So now area of trapezium A is equal to area of trapezium C. It's a regular octagon, you can see and you can make out. So area of trapezium C is also 32 meters square. Why? Because they both are equal in area and rectangle is left down. Now we find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle B, which is equal to length into breadth, where the length is 11 meters and the breadth is 5 meters, 55 meters square. Now we find the total area. So total area is equal to area of trapezium A plus area of rectangle B plus area of trapezium C. So area of trapezium A is how much? 32. So 32 meters squared plus 55 meters squared plus 32 meters squared. This gives us the answer. Now we start with the next question, question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park. Pentagonal, 5 sides. Shaped park. There it is. As shown in the figure, for finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into 2 different ways. Okay? It's given in the book. Jyoti's diagram is there and Kavita's diagram is there. Find the area of this park using both ways. And can you suggest some other way of finding its area? So we start with Jyoti's diagram, then we start with Kavita's diagram. Yes? Okay children, there was a small disturbance. We will go ahead with Jyoti's diagram. out the area of one trapezium, then we find out the area of second trapezium, and then we find the total of it. Now see children, this has parallel sides which is given. This is not given, that is the perpendicular distance, but you can see this is the midpoint. So it will be half of 15. Half of 15 means 7.5. Okay. So let's start. So area of trapezium A, which is equal to area of trapezium A is equal to the perpendicular distance. Children, I am writing, since space is less, so I am just writing like this, the perpendicular distance, that is the height, into A plus B, where A is this and B is this. Okay, this is it, and this is H here. So you can make out what is what by 2. So H means 7.5 and A means 15 plus 30 by 2. 7.5 into this becomes 45 by 2. I just divide this. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4.5. 22.5 and 7.5. We multiply 22.5 and 7.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 2s are 10, 11. 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. 7 2s are 14, 15. So this is 1 2 place decimal, so this is 168.75. Once let me check children. 5 5 25, 5 2 10, 11, 12, 5 2 10, 11. 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 7 2s are 14, 15, 5, 7, 8, 6, 1. 168.75. This is meter square. Okay. So this is, I think it will come the same, no? If we find, let's see. It will come the same only children, area of, because you can see the dimensions will be same, 15, 30 and 7.5. Okay, so directly we can write area of trapezium B is also 168.75. Let's do it. Area of trapezium B, directly from above it will be the same, so directly I am writing 168.75 meters square. Now we find out the total area. Total area, which is equal to area of trapezium A plus area of trapezium B. So 168.75, either we multiply it by 2 or we add both. So 5 2s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 8 are 16, 17, 2 6 are 12, 13, 2 1 are 2, 3. So 337.50 meter square. This is whose diagram? Jyoti's diagram. Now we have to start with Kavita's diagram. Chalk. So let's start with Kavita's diagram now. Kavita's diagram. Let me make also Kavita's diagram. Oops. let's start. So area of triangle C. Half base into height. Half into base into height. So it is 15 children gives us 225 by 2, which is 112.5. Okay, meter square. So this is area of triangle C. Then we have to find out area of square D. Equal to side into side, which is equal to 15 meters into 15 meters, which is equal to 225 meter square. Okay, now we find out the total area. That is area of triangle C plus area of square D. So this is the area 337.5 meters square. I hope both the areas were same, children, because I don't remember the area of Jyoti's diagram. Okay, now the next part of this question, find the area of this park using both. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? Can we find out some other way? So let's see. This was the diagram. This was given. If we do this, we make this as triangle. Points are given or what? No, not given, so I am marking. Let this be a triangle A and let this be a quadrilateral B. Okay, and this is how we can find out how this half base into height and the area of the quadrilateral from here, where this is given. What is that? Diagonal is given. Okay, that's how we can do, and also we can find out this, and we make 3 different triangles also. So there are many ways. Okay, so yes, we can. So answer will be yes, and then you can write in your own words that yes, we can find out in a different way. Either we divide it into 3 different triangles or 1 triangle and 1 quadrilateral. Okay. So this completes question number, which question is this? Question number 10, 11 we will continue tomorrow.